Hello there. Welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, December the 31st. Happy New Year. My name is Kat. I have your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today, December 31st through Saturday, January 6th. The title of this week's video is Rose-Colored Glasses. The reason for the title is I'm going to spend some time talking about, unfortunately, the dark side of Sagittarius. I know it's hard to believe that could possibly be any dark side to this most incredible energy. Remember, it's my birthday. But we do have to talk about it because we are going to be Sagittariusly challenged this week, and I want to make sure that we are ready. We do have two major energy shifts this week. The good news is on Monday, January 1st, Mercury goes direct. Yahoo! So things are going to clear up a little bit, be less confusing. That is so helpful. And then on Wednesday, Mars moves into Capricorn. So as we get started though, in the mix of all of this are some Venus in Sagittarius and Mercury in Sagittarius contentious connections this week. I want us to keep this information in the back of our minds in case it rears its ugly head this week. Now, Sagittarius energy on a positive note is growth, expansion, faith, optimism. But this week, we're going to look at the other side of this energy because it's being energized with these aspects. Overextension, over optimism, and just making some really bad decisions. Sagittarius, we like to take risks. We think everything is just honky-dory. You know, if a little is good, more's got to be better. And this week, if we're not paying attention, it's going to turn around and bite us in the butt. So on today and tomorrow. We're very New Year's Day into New Year's Eve. It's very relaxing, non-productive, feeling good about socializing, or if we're not going out, just staying in our chair and enjoying New Year's Eve at home. But we're really into kind of thinking about our new year and dreaming about what things could be and how we're going to manifest some new ideals and ideas and creative ideas in the year. We're just very dreamy and relaxed and enjoying it. So take that time to rest today and tomorrow, because Tuesday, it's back to the real world for the start of the new year. And it's going to start, we're going to hit the ground running. There is going to be a lot to get caught up on. And if we are paying attention to the not so good side, the negative side of Sagittarius, we can keep from going down that rabbit hole. And what I mean by that is on Tuesday, we have a moon T-square. So we have the opposition between the moon and Virgo, Neptune in Pisces, and then we also have a 90-degree relationship between all of this and Mercury and Mars in Sagittarius. So what this looks like on Tuesday is definitely the rose-colored glasses biting off more than we can chew. We're getting back to work. We have a lot to do. And so we say yes to this, and I can do that, and I can do that over there. And sure, we got this covered. And then we realize, holy shit, I have overextended myself. And now people aren't going to be too happy because I can't follow through on my promises. Watch for that on Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, be aware of taking on too much. Be aware that we may tend to see things better than they really are. Let's be realistic about things, because on Wednesday and Thursday, if we watch the energies and we're aware of them, we can have a great couple of days, especially at work, working with others. Get those vision boards out for the year. Do that brainstorming. It's a really good time for us to really manifest some solid solutions. We've got Mars going into Capricorn on Wednesday. Capricorn, earth energy, Capricorn, our job, our stick to itness. So very grounded. We're focused. That Mars is, we're focused on getting it done. We can see we've got Mercury that went direct on Monday, so we can actually see some solutions. We can, our creative ideas, we can see how they're going to manifest. We can implement some steps. We can, like I said, bring in others and really together come up with something, a solution, an idea that will really take off for us. So as long as we watch out that it's Capricorn, it's earth energy. So let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's not put the cart before the horse and thinking about all these great ideas and, oh yeah, that's that Sagittarius. Oh yeah, we can do that. And yeah, that's, it's a little far-fetched, but yeah, we can make it happen. Watch it. Make sure that whatever we come up with is grounded, is practical. Use that Capricorn energy, that earth energy, to bring us back into the loop. It's good to have those creative ideas. Let's just not get carried away. And backing up, gosh, I almost forgot, with this contentious Sagittarius energy of overextending ourselves, let me back up really quickly and say, watch that New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, okay? We tend to eat and drink a lot because, we're the life of the party and wow, this is fun. Watch it. We have energy there that will kind of tease us into, one more drink, one more muffin, one more cookie, So really watch out. Remember to stay balanced. Stay balanced. Keep your balance during this week. So back to Wednesday and Thursday, where we have a lot of success working with others at work, as long as we keep it practical and grounded. And then on Friday, we just have the moon in Scorpio. So, Scorpio is a very interesting energy. It's a water, it's our emotions, it's our psychic connections. It's our power, it's our sexuality. So that is the energy on Friday. And again, watch those energies to make sure that we don't go down a rabbit hole of, I'm making this up. We have a new relationship. We've had lots of great energy in the past couple of weeks for the beginning of a new relationship. And Venus is in Sagittarius, but with the contentious connections, especially Friday and Saturday, we may take it a little too far, a little too fast. We may choose not to see the red flags that are popping up all over because we're like, oh, I can deal with that. I can handle that. Oh, she'll change. He'll change. I'll help them change. Watch that shit. If we can't accept somebody exactly the way they are right now, we shouldn't be messing. Walk away. Now, Saturday, God, I'd love to say it's a great date night, but it's a tricky wicket. It's a little sticky. It's kind of like walking on eggshells because we have Sun in Capricorn square Chiron in Aries, as well as Moon and Scorpio opposing Uranus in Taurus. So, could be nice if we remember balance and we honor the other, allow them their opinion, even though it may not reflect our own opinion. If we Uranus and Taurus is all about sticking to what we've got, and then with the Sun in Capricorn, this is all earth energy. So on Saturday night, the energy is all about being together, enjoying good music, Taurus, good food, Taurus, maybe going to the art museum, Taurus, something like that. Let's not try something new and different and go out of the box. This is not the night to do that. It probably won't end up well for us if we try to say, hey, let's go do this. We've never done that before, because, the energy is more like it's that Taurus energy, our safe space, our place of peace where we feel comfortable. So that's what we're looking for date night on Saturday night. Comfort and security. If we can keep that in mind, then maybe we can have a nice date night with our partner or a nice time with our friends and family. Just be careful. So that is the week ahead. We have a whole new year. We can get that. We're productive. We can start getting things done when we get to work. Just remember, don't bite off more than we can chew. Don't overextend ourselves, and then we'll find ourselves not being able to keep our promises. Don't look at something, a relationship, a situation, and start just rationalizing it. Oh, they'll be fine. They'll change. Job's okay. It'll change. It'll be better next year. That's our rose-colored glasses. Let's take a real look at what we're dealing with so that we can work with it to manifest the life we want. Okay? So that is it. Watch out for the negative side of that Sagittarian energy. Don't overextend ourselves, and take those rose-colored glasses off so we can see what's really going on this week. Let's start the week by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the disease, all the negativity, all the toxicity. It's just flowing out of our body, flowing away, and in its place we're being filled with this beautiful white light. Not only does this light fill our entire body, but it is also protecting us, deflecting all evil, low vibration, all toxicity, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we will say our Sun in Capricorn affirmation. I work to make my outer world a reflection of my inner world connection to my higher self and my spiritual growth. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation for Capricorn together. I work to make my outer world a reflection of my inner world connection with my higher self and my spiritual growth. Good, good. And like I always say, keep the breaths, keep the little visualization, guided meditation in your back pocket. You don't have to use it at a certain time. It is useful anytime that we need to bring balance back into our lives. So instead of saying, I'll do that, no, think a minute, go take 3 deep cleansing breaths and like, ooh, I can't do that. I already promised 10 people I'd do something for them too. So watch out for that. And the whole Capricorn affirmation reflects life is lived from the inside out. So this year, our New Year's resolution should be this affirmation. I work to make my outer world the reflection of my inner world connection with spirit or with higher self and my spiritual growth. Think about that as we work to manifest our inner world into the outer world. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages and whimsical memes. And please consider the message of the Soul Sister channel that we create a reality, whether consciously or unconsciously. So, by being conscious, by working on our inner selves, by being connected with our higher self, with spirit, with soul, with God, whatever we want to call it, we can indeed consciously manifest the life we want. Have an incredible 2024. May we all have a year of peace, of growth, and manifesting our best life. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week. Here we go, 2024. Namaste.